Welcome to SplashMe Pool Systems, the most advanced swimming pool and spa controller at your fingertips. In this video we are going to show you how to clean the SplashMe Multi Probe. The SplashMe Multi Probe is a highly sensitive and precise bit of testing equipment and should be cleaned and calibrated every 6 months. To clean the probe, firstly you will need to prepare the following: a small container with diluted hydrochloric acid and water solution at a 1:1 ratio, another small container with clean water, a cloth to wipe any excess water, and finally make sure you wear the appropriate PPE when handling hydrochloric acid and any other hazardous chemicals. Firstly, you will need to stop the filter pump and disable any schedules that may turn on the filter pump. Next, loosen the nut at the base of the multi-probe in an anti-clockwise direction. Once completely undone, you will be able to pull the multi-probe out of the flow sensor housing. You also have the option of removing the cable in case you want to do this on a bench. Unscrew the blue nut in an anti-clockwise direction until loose. Then pull the plug away from the multi-probe. Next, we need to put the multi-probe tip into the hydrochloric acid solution that we prepared earlier and gently swirl and agitate the probe in the solution for about 30 seconds. Once complete, shake off any excess and then repeat the process, but this time in the clean water. Now we can remove the probe and gently wipe off any excess water. Lastly, do a quick inspection of the glass pH probe, gold ORP probe, and stainless steel temperature sensor, and make sure they are all clean and free from any dirt and grime. If needed, repeat the steps above until clean. Once complete, we can now refit the multi-probe. To attach the cable to the multi-probe, make sure that the two white dots align. Once aligned, push in the plug, then gently tighten the blue nut. Before we refit the multi-probe, ensure the O-ring inside the probe is in position and clean from any debris. Then line up the keyway on the multi-probe to match the keyway in the flow sensor housing. Insert the multi-probe and hand tighten the nut in a clockwise direction. Finally, we can manually run the pump and check for any leaks. Be sure to also re-enable any schedules that were disabled. I hope this video was helpful and we will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Please explore our channel for more how-to videos and don't forget to subscribe to keep you up to date with all the most recent app changes. Thank you.